Yeah, we're gonna go out today. I'm actually going out to Durham to go hang out with Nerve and Monty and Eli. We're gonna go around and, you know, try some things with the Osmo and I think it's the Mark A7 something. I'll figure it out when I get there. I haven't seen the camera. The stuff that he does on his blog stuff look real nice, but we're gonna go over some settings and see if we can, you know, do some things. Just have a little fun, eat some food. You know how it goes. My cat is dirty. It's very dirty. What's all the excitement about? What's going on? What's wrong? Huh? What you saying? What you talking about? Dog crazy. You wanna go upstairs? I said the Mark A7. What is it?
G7X.
G7 Mark II.
You had a couple of numbers right.
I was like, yeah, it's the A7. I knew I was wrong.
Getting ready to go out today to the Durham Food Truck Rally. Gonna do a special vlog. Got my boy Third in the house today.
What's going on?
Not so much made for an
Not
iPhone
really.
6S.
Nah, not the pluses.
Let's do it. 860 is your total. Is your credit good?
Nah.
No? And we're about to find out. You might be right. Pass that back to you, Henry. Give us a little bit of time to cook it. We're going to holler when it's ready.
This burger good. Burger was good. Fries suck. It's all good. I shouldn't be eating it anyway. Since I spent $2 on it, I'm going to finish it. Having a good time. Ate well. I'm still filming. Trying out some filters. And I think we're going to go see the band. I heard there's a band playing. We will see. Having fun out here with the band. I guess I'm up. I'm on?
This guy right here is a legend. He just went and danced in front of the whole crowd, got a standing ovation.
Standing ovation. I'm a cool guy. Come chill with me.
It's lit over here.
I'm sorry, that's mad funny that when you're using your working phone, like, hold up, I gotta, hello, you got the camera roll.
That's why when I'm shooting a video, I just turn that joint off.
I gotta get one.
SBG, feel it. Check this out.
I'm documenting my journey to a healthy lifestyle.
Nice.
So the healthy part didn't start yet because I'm gonna have this pizza. I had a hamburger, then you know the pizza, then I might eat some broccoli later.
Today's a cheat day.
I'm not even gonna lie to myself. I just didn't start, you know. I'm sorry, this is extremely funny right here. It's crazy. Ate pizza. Now we're about to go home. Yo, had a great time out there with Brion and Monty and Eli. Just hung out at the Food Truck Rodeo. He actually did a video as well, so you'll probably see that in a couple of weeks. I'm just going to chop up some stuff that I had on the phone. And see you next time. Peace.